Hello, Pressaholic gang. Happy Tuesday. So today I'm just going to be unboxing some House of Supplies and also some stuff that I got off of AliExpress. All of the links will be listed down below. So to start off, I ordered these little practice fingers. I have been in contact with double dip, and I've just been experimenting with them. They're actually the dip powder that I have on my nails at this time in the video. Their system is just super cool just because you don't have to use any UV lamps, so I figured that I would get these and just kind of mess around with them. I also thought that it was super cool how it has like the little sticky stuff in the bottom, and yeah, so overall 10 out of 10. I thought it was pretty cool, and I only ordered 5 and they gave me 8. And they also sent me the Christmas foils. I believe that it's just because it was kind of like out of season, so it was like a free gift. And then I also got this Bling Kit that they have on their website. Unfortunately, I don't remember what exactly it was called, but it came with the extra long stiletto tips that I'll be showing in just a second, a Bling Kit, and 3 sticker sheets that were chosen at random. Also guys, I'm so sorry that I'm so late to announce my giveaway winner for the month of December. Congratulations, Jenna, on winning my giveaway. I will be having another one very soon. And picking another winner at random. That will be in the next few videos to come. I had so many ideas for December with nail miss and giveaways, and guys, I was so motivated, and then I got really sick. Like at one point I really thought that I had Rona, and like I fell behind so bad with Pressaholic and orders and the YouTube. So I'm so sorry if I let anyone down. I know that a lot of you guys liked the first few videos that I had did for nail miss. And then here we have like these butterfly stickers that they had threw in, and the Louis Vuitton stickers I thought were really cute. So again, they were just 3 stickers that were chosen at random. And now we are moving on to the Bling Kit. I believe that this kit was only around $10, which of course was super affordable. Like I will say that with House of Supplies, their stuff is pretty much affordable. I'm sorry with this clip. I'm just trying to get you guys the best view, but they do have like really affordable pricing, and their website is just really nice, easy to navigate, and I really enjoy their content. So if you're following House of Supplies, I highly suggest that you follow them. They just do really nice designs. I had also posted that I bought another kit. I believe it's called like Icy Girl Kit on their website. They've sold out so many times, so with this restock, like I really wanted it, so I ended up getting the Icy Girl kit from them. It should be coming in the mail in a few days. I actually got that it shipped yesterday, so I will be doing a part 2 if you guys are interested in like a bigger haul from House of Supplies. Just leave it in the comments down below and I will be sure to get to them. I also got really good feedback when it came to the Marketing by Monray video that I had did a few, I want to say like a few weeks ago. And I actually got her purpose planner in the mail a few days ago as well. And spoiler alert, I will be having a giveaway very soon that you guys are not going to want to miss when it comes to Marketing by Monray and giving you guys a giveaway that's going to be extremely helpful to you and your business. So here is an AliExpress mail whatever. I have an ordering issue, guys, but I ended up buying these stiletto tips. I have been thinking about doing like a double dip Friday. If you guys are more interested in how you can do your nails at home acrylics, I should say, and not so much the press on business kind of content that I've done last year, then please, please, please let me know in the comments. Me and Double Dip again have been in contact and have discussed doing a Double Dip Friday. As I said, I've been really testing out their products and I really enjoy their products. It's very unique system and their pricing is very affordable. So before we really get like super into it, just let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. So here I got some caviar beads in the gold color. I only had the silver color and I haven't been doing a lot of caviar beaded work in like almost a year now. So doing bling is definitely something that I want to get into more in 2021. And by the way, I hope everyone had a great new year. And I actually forgot that I purchased more of these practice fingers on AliExpress. So they did come pretty like big. I'm going to show you guys like a quick comparison. So the House of Supplies ones were definitely like more of a natural color. The ones from AliExpress were very like orange. The quality of the stickers in the bottom were definitely different. The one from House of Supplies were definitely more like high quality, I would say. They did come with a pack of 5 and they're just very chubby, so a little bit harder to hold, I want to say. The size of the nail, I would say, are maybe a little bit more the same, but definitely one shorter than the other. So definitely not something that I would recommend, especially that House of Supply, the 5 pack of fingers were only $1.99. So if this is a product that you're looking to get, then I definitely suggest ordering from House of Supplies, where it's only $1.99. I don't really remember how much I paid for the fingers on AliExpress, but again, I'll leave all the links down below. And they're not affiliate links, so don't worry. And this AirPod case, I was super disappointed just because it's super flimsy. But it was okay. I mean, usually AliExpress stuff is only a few dollars, but again, I will leave the links down below. I really hope that you guys have been amazing. I hope that the new year will bring you guys nothing but love, prosperity, and all the things that you wish to manifest in the new year. I hope that if you have been thinking about starting a nail business, that you finally start. I hope that just everything goes amazing for you guys. I have written down quite a lot of goals for this year, and I hope to accomplish all of them with you. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.